Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday. Today we are going to the zoo. Wow! I can't wait to see the animals.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mom. Today is Zoo Day. Let's go.
Wait for everyone, Jack. Remember to use good manners at the zoo.
We will. I know the rules.
I know the rules. Good.
The zoo is going to be amazing. I want to see the giraffes. Are we there yet?
Almost.
Wow. Look at the zoo.
Let's stay together.
Okay, Dad. Let's go. Let's go.
Jack, wait for us.
Sorry, Dad.
Good manners means staying with your family.
Look at the rules.
Yes, we must follow them.
I will follow the rules. Wow, look at that lion. It is beautiful.
Let's watch quietly.
Roar!
Jack, please be quiet.
Sorry, Mom.
Animals need peace and quiet.
I understand. We can watch them quietly. Look at the giraffes. They are so tall. Can I give this to the giraffe?
No, Jack, we must not feed the animals.
Animals have special diets.
So our food can hurt them?
Yes, so we should never feed them unless the zoo says it is okay.
Okay, Dad. Look, Emma, there are monkeys. Let's see them.
Stay together.
They are funny.
Stay behind the barrier.
Whoa! See, Jack?
That is why we keep a safe distance.
That monkey. They are very playful.
Animals are not toys, Jack. We should respect their space.
I understand now.
Good.
I should respect the animals. Exactly. I'm sorry. That's better. I will not tease animals again. Are you enjoying our zoo adventure? Keep watching to learn more good manners. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Can I have a snack?
Yes, but remember to use good manners.
Okay. I want to go first. We need to wait our turn. Okay, I can wait. Hello, can I please have some water? Thank you. Jack, your wrapper fell. Oh, I didn't see it. I should keep the zoo clean. Yes, animals need a clean environment too. Wow, look at those elephants! They are huge!
Let's watch them quietly. Good manners also mean following safety rules, because they protect us.
I think she dropped her hat. Let's help her. That was very kind. It felt good to help.
Kindness is one of the best manners.
Wow! Look at those birds. They are beautiful.
Good job speaking quietly.
I will not touch them. That's good.
You are learning to respect animals.
Look, Emma! What is it? The reptile house!
Let's go see it.
Wow, so many reptiles! Look at that turtle!
Stay together and watch from the safe area.
That snake is long. Yes, but we should not touch it. I know. Jack, don't knock on the glass. Why not? It may scare the animal. I don't want to scare it.
That's respectful.
I can watch without disturbing it. Yes. Look how slowly they walk. They are cute. They are cute.
Let's watch them quietly.
Remember, Jack, we don't touch the animals.
Right, I forgot. I think he came to say hello. Maybe he is curious too. Goodbye, little turtle. We saw so many animals today.
And you learned how to respect them.
There are many people here.
That's why we should be polite and careful.
I'm proud of you, Jack.
I'm trying to use good manners.
And it shows.
Look at them swimming! They are so fast!
Let's watch from here.
Let's use quiet voices!
Let's use quiet voices.
That was kind.
Good manners are not only about saying please and thank you, they are also about respecting animals, people, and nature.
I understand. So I should not tease animals. Correct. I should not litter.
Correct.
And I should wait my turn.
Exactly.
This has been a great day. My favorite part was the giraffes.
Mine was watching you learn.
Goodbye, Zoo. We had a wonderful day.
Let's go home.
Today I learned to respect animals and to respect other people.
And if you also want to learn English, then please like and subscribe our channel. You both did a great job today.